Hello and welcome, Yarn Besties. My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. So I am doing another yarn review video, and for this video I will be reviewing Loops and Threads Skyscape acrylic blend yarn. Now the specifications for this yarn is 262 yards or 240 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. And this is a number 4 worsted weighted yarn, and the recommended hook size is a 4.5 millimeter or US 7, or for knitting needles it is a 4 millimeter or US 6. Now this is a acrylic nylon blend, so it's a 78% acrylic and 22% nylon. So now I'll show you, and this is a great yarn from my local Michaels. This cost, actually I got this on clearance for $5, and I did showcase this in a previous yarn haul, and I did buy another skein because they were on clearance for $5 at the time. So now I will go right into the review. Now, for the crocheted part, I used the recommended hook size of 7 millimeter, but I did not, as for the knitting size, I did not have any US 6 straight needles on hand, so I went ahead and went up higher and used a 9 millimeter set of knitting needles, or US 13. Alright, so I'll show you the swatches. Now the first one, I wanted to do something a little different and unique. So I went ahead and I made a granny square with this yarn. Now this, I love the way this turned out. This is a very beautiful colorway to work with. You got the oranges, you got some red, some little bit of yellow, you got the green in the middle. But this worked out pretty nicely for a thinner, more delicate yarn because of the nylon. And the way that the yarn looks in appearance, it looks like they took like one of those wool brushes and kind of brushed it to make it a little more softer and more delicate, like a gossamer type of feeling. But you can definitely see like it feels like wool in here, but it's nice and soft at the touch. But I like the way this came out as in a granny square. So this is what it looks like crocheted. And as for the knitted portion, I did another stockinette stitch swatch with this, and mostly the green dominated this swatch, and you can see towards the bottom there's a little bit of reds and oranges, but the green towards the end of the swatch dominated. But I love the way this turned out as well. If I would have to rate this yarn from 1 to 5 skeins, I would recommend, I would give this yarn a 5 out of 5 skeins because it's easy to work with, it feels soft at the touch, but you got to be careful with your tension because, again, this is a more delicate type of yarn. You don't want to have too much tension or else it may snap. So when I was working these swatches, I was very careful to not have too much tension on either the crochet hook or the knitting needles. Again, this is from your local Michaels, and this skein, again, at the time it was on clearance for $5. Of course, it's usually under $10 anyway, but this is a very beautiful, delicate yarn to work with. So this would be great for baby blankets or like a hat, scarf, anything that you want to feel against your skin without the wool itchiness effect. And as a disclaimer, I am not currently not an affiliate with Michaels. I applied about a year ago to be a marketing affiliate, but I have yet to hear back from them. So if anyone from Michaels is watching this video, please reach out to me. My email address will be in the description below, so you may contact me to let me know the status. But in the meantime, I will keep reviewing yarns and giving them my honest opinion. So thank you for watching. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Happy crafting.